everyone. My name is Sri Krishna. I am studying in UKG. My school name is Brahmi to celebrate Teachers Day. First of all, happy Teachers Day to all our dear teachers. We celebrate Teachers Day on September 5th. On September 5th, this day is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a great teacher and the second president of India. Teachers are like our parents in schools. We help us, they help us learn and grow. The teachers many important things. They work hard to make us successful. They guide us and show us right path. The teachers, the good values, the lessons. Thank you, teachers, for your hard work. Thank you, teachers, for everything you do for us. Thank you. Namaste. Namaste.